Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change graphic settings in Genshin Impact. This is perfect for improving performance, reducing lags, or enjoying better visuals on your device while playing the game. First of all, launch open Genshin Impact on your device and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're inside this main Start Game page, click on the middle of the screen to begin. Now, you'll be taken to the next page. After the data has been loaded, you will see several different menus on the right corner. Click on the gear button on the bottom right, and then you will see graphics quality option. Tap on the drop down and select your desired graphic settings. Here you can adjust from lowest to the highest when it comes to managing your graphic quality. Choose the settings based on your device's performance. For high-end devices, you can select the high or the highest option, whereas for mid-range devices, select medium. For low-end devices, you can select the lowest option and go ahead and restart your game. Force close your Genshin Impact game and load it again. After the game is reloaded and the new setting will start working. That's how you easily change your graphic settings in Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.